This is Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures here at the Chicago Board of Trade, back in the office. Had a little bit of a hiccup last week again after we were kind of in the clear from coronavirus. The building was kind of boarded up for the most part with regards to the looting and rioting and whatnot, but we are here back in the office, so let's get things started. For today's Tech Talk, we're looking at soybeans July contract specifically. We've got the Grain Express here pulled up. This goes out to clients each and every morning before the open. So let's scroll down here to the soybean section and kind of cover some of the technicals that we're looking at. Now, if you look at this July soybean chart, you can clearly see that the market was in a clear downtrend for the better part of the first half of the year. You can see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, a clear downtrend here. But over the last several weeks, we've really seen that die out and the selling kind of evaporate. And we started to trend sideways. So the trend is your friend until the end when it bends. And this is the bending point. We had this capitulation here, trading sideways. And now we're starting to curve up, marking higher highs and higher lows. So that's pretty good. This morning's key technical support, 4-star technical support, held basically perfectly. We had that defined as 857 to 861 and a quarter. As you can see right here, this was the top end of the recent range, and that support pocket was previous resistance. That now becomes support. We back tested that, held it, and rebounded nicely off of that. That's very encouraging, and I think if you want to be long the market, that's a very good sign to potentially look at adding some exposure. If we do start to break down and close below this pocket, 857 to 861, that's when you're going to want to look at taking your medicine and moving on. But so long as the bulls can defend that area, I think they've got a good risk-reward scenario to the buy side here, potentially taking us back up to this 890 level. This 890 level was a support here, and the breakdown point, and then resistance. So that's the next level that we're looking at here over the next couple of weeks. Keep in mind that we do have a USDA report this week. That could have some meaningful bearing on the market. But as far as the technicals go, things are shaping up well for a near-term bottom. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures.